Hi there, students. Lush. Okay, lush is an adjective. It could be a noun as well. Lushly, the adverb. Lushness, the noun of the quality. Okay, if we describe something as lush, particularly plants or an area, it's growing very strongly. It's got healthy plants. It's green. There's grass and trees. A piece of lush jungle which was growing fantastically well. There was a lush area beyond the end of the garden. So something that's lush, a lush area, it's got lots of green, it's growing really well, it's got full of energetic growing. You could refer to my beard as lush. It grows very strongly. So there was lush growth from Alex's beard. Although, yeah, it used to be lusher when I was younger. So luxuriant, growing strong, full of energy, profuse growth, lush. Now, you could also use this to talk about a smell or a taste. So the lush taste of chocolate. It's attractive, it's tasty, it's lovely. The lush sound of the violins playing, okay? Very attractive to look at. Attractive to taste, to listen to. And let's see, both of those uses of lush, I would probably give them a 6 in formality. But notice, if you can also use lush to talk about good or attractive, as in, that's cool. This is something the British use. That sounds really lush. We're going on a trip on Friday. Lush, mate. Okay, very informal. That's cool. That's good. That's great. It was a really lush party. She's a really lush looking girl. Okay, attractive, good, nice, positive, cool, yeah? Okay, lush. But that's very informal. Now, you can also use this phrase, a lush. A lush is an alcoholic, somebody who drinks too much. And again, this is slang. I'd probably give it 3.5 in formality. A person who regularly drinks too much alcohol. He's a lush, so don't expect him to do anything for you on a Friday night. Okay, so lush. Lush plants, an area of land with plants growing together in large numbers. Lush scenery. Okay, lush, growing really well. Luxuriant vegetation. The lush decoration of a stately home. Luxurious, extravagant, beautifully ornamented, pleasing to the senses. The lush scent of her perfume. The lush fruit that was in the pudding, and then lush, cool. That's brilliant. So, do I want to come with you on Friday? Lush. That sounds great, mate. Very informal. Or a lush, an alcoholic. Okay. Let's see. Lush fruit, lush vegetation. Growing very well, lush fruit, succulent, fleshy. Lush strawberries, delicious. A lush hotel, luxurious, opulent, rich. And then a lush, an alcoholic. That sounds like a lush idea, mate. Cool, really good. Okay, the lush surroundings of a private villa. Okay, so lush. Lush vegetation, growing luxuriantly. A lush girl, sexually attractive. Lush music, rich with lots of sensory pleasure. Okay, so lush, vigorous growth, lush grass, very productive, lush farmland, thriving, a lush economy. Okay, a company lush with contracts, prosperous, profitable. A lush flavour, a lush cherry pie, the lush sounds of music, and then a lush, an alcoholic, and that's cool. That's really lush. She looks really lush. Okay, so attractive, nice, cool, positive. Okay, so let's see. What about some origin? Okay, there's an old English word, or a Middle English word, lush, meaning relaxed, limp, or loose. And that comes from Proto-Germanic laquaz, weak or feeble. Anyway, lush, juicy, succulent, full of growth, tasty. That was a really lush video you made, mate. So, enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. Lush.